What is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping. As you can tell here, we are sitting in an airport. It's about 7:45 right now. Our flight starts boarding at 8:25. We fly out at 8:40, and we're landing in Chicago at their time 9:10. So I believe it'll be around an hour flight or so. So we're gonna sit here, enjoy the Chick-fil-A, enjoy the Starbucks coffee, and just sit here and relax for a little bit. But it's a super exciting trip. If it wasn't for you guys, trips like this would not be possible. So a little teaser in here. You guys need to wait and see where I'm headed. We'll see you on the airplane.
Hey, it's amazing, the subtle games that you are playing. Hey, you don't even know I exist. You have got me on your hit list. Hey, you're conspiring, girl, you are sexual and bad. And now you got this on your conscience, because now I'm unresponsive.
We're in. About an hour late, but we're in. Now we got a baggage claim. That's where the car is supposed to come pick us up, so yeah, time to get to the hotel. Flight got delayed like an hour, so let's do this.
It's a little racy, but it's good. Yeah.
You guys know we care about what you guys say and the feedback that we get. So I'm really interested in hearing what you guys have to say on the tour and even afterwards to see how we can help you and help your companies do better. So the last one is environment. It's not last because it's last. The bottom line is we care. You're going to see the recycling efforts that we put out there. We do not landfill anything. We recycle everything, we reuse it, and it's not just for cost. We don't want to fill up landfills. We want to be as green as we possibly can. So we put LED lights in the facility, and you'll see a lot of this out there. But just understand that these are our core beliefs in how we do things at ECHO, not just in operations, but overall ECHO. So that's just a brief overview. As we're talking, we're doing a lot of walking, so I'll just kind of give you some facts, how big we are, how many people we have, the shifts we run, and certainly as we go through, just raise your hand if you want to talk about anything, and I'll do the best I can to answer, or I'll get you an answer before the end of the day.
They can go ahead and ship a couple of those pallets of backpack loads to my house. I wouldn't mind that at all.
We have different locations that they're not consistent. In order to have that, I have to have consistent locations, same part. And what happens is, as we change, I can't fill those slots with something else, right? So it gets a little difficult, but it's not impossible, and it's something we'll definitely want to look at down the road.
washer and a nut. I'll be honest, we forgot
or forgot one of the washers in the light truck. So what happens is, if they don't grab each one of those lights in order, the air tool doesn't work. We physically cannot assemble.
Look at how fast these guys are just knocking out these TV580s. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Our blowers, our chainsaws to make sure that it's durable and drop testing. We drop test things from way up here, assuming it can drop out the trailer, right? We want to make sure that we can maintain our safety, especially for fuel tanks or anything like that. So we expand our safety not only to here, but all the way out to the field as well.
We're about to be walking through the engine test site where they hook these bad boys up, they let them run, that way they can get compressions off of those to make sure that everything is running tip-top before they send it out.
So one of the key things we talk about is this knife blade. We were sending product out with no knife blade, right? That's a huge issue. It's a blind assembly upside down. So we had to look at the most simple way to fix this. If you guys listen to this, you hear that? That's simple proc switch turning the air onto the air gun, which is for the next station. And if this knife blade isn't here, the tool doesn't work, period. There's no air. So it's a simple fix, but it's not. A lot of people miss the most simple ways to fix complex problems. So this proc switch adds a pro yoke. We'll never have another knife blade that we send out a shield without a knife blade on it.